Hello, welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog. Today's video ay tungkol sa special recognition para sa lahat ng child icons noon at ngayon. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto mag-likes, shares, comments, and views. Abutin ng 500. It's support na rin sa ating social media account. For today's latest vlog ay 363, episode 363, and title, Pama's Child Icons of Philippine Cinema. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin, panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, dahil simulan na ang ating Pama's Awards noong nakaraang Friday, August 22, ang ginanap ng 73rd Pama's Awards 2025. At ang achievements talaga ay recipients para sa lahat ng child actors and actresses who received the Pama's Child Icons of Philippine Cinema. Child, nasimula noong siya nasa child star era. Hanggang ngayon, patuloy pa rin ang career at sa mga susunod. And here are the 6 anim na recipients from 70s hanggang ngayon. Parori natin sa ating Black Birthday. Una man natin yung hindi na-attend last Friday. We have Mr. Ian Veneracion. Nagsimula in the 80s at kasama ni Joey De Leon sa pelikula at television. At naging action star and naging gumanap sa Pangako Sa'yo as Eduardo Buenavista. And recent in show Incognito. Congrats, Ian Veneracion. Ayan. Action star 90s, yes. The second, yung hindi na-attend sa Pama's last Friday, ay si Mated De Leon. Siya yung anak na the late superstar Laura Honor and Christopher De Leon, current actor. That si Mated De Leon pala ay adopted yung anak. Kala namin biological. Sure, kasi biological daw or adopted. Pero nagsimula noong 80s sa pelikula Bunso kay Robin. At one day, isang araw. Hanggang na yon, 90s, teenager roles. At na yon, na kinasal noong 2004 kay Mickey Estrada. At na yon, kabilang projects sa Kapuso Kapamilya Kapatid. At na yon, congratulations, Mated De Leon, for receiving the Pama's Child Icons of Philippine Cinema. Congrats, Mated De Leon. Here are our other 4 ay nag-attend last Friday night. Una mo natin yung 70s. Ninyo muna nagsimula noong 1970s. Ay, dekada pala, 70s. Pero 1972 na simula at the age of 3 years old. At kabilang projects. At syempre, yung anak na si Sandro Mulag, yung controversial na parang ng talent arm. Ngayon, okay naman siya kay Nino muna as recipients of Pama's Child Icons. Yung natin, other side, like Atasha and Andres Mula, who's Herman Moreno Youth Achievement Awards. Sama yung anak ni Nino, si Sandro. Congrats, Nino. The second is Miss Gladys Reyes, starting to join Little Miss Philippines noong 1984. Finished as a runner-up. Yan. At kabilang projects as a child star. At her biggest break sa Mara Clara as Clara. Yung fake na nanay tatay ni Beverly Berhel. Sorry. Pero napunta sa tunay na magulang ni Clara na si Susan Africa and the late Earl Tonko. Di ba, hindi kasi hanggang ngayon ay curdy sa teleserye ng GMA na Cruz versus Cruz. Congratulations, Gladys Reyes, our child icons of Philippine cinema. Hindi pa tapos, may dalawa pa. Una natin yung medyo biggest wins kay Miss Julian Santos. Congratulations. Julian nag-start in the 80s, 1987, sa TV at movies. Ang pinaka-break, Ulila. Anong title kasi Ulila? Hindi ko alam kung anong title lala, pero Ulila lala muna. But in the 90s, yan ang biggest break. Yung Mara Clara, aside from Gladys Reyes, as Mara Del Valle. At gabi-gabi lang projects and movies. Like sa pelikulang, nako, Till There Was You. At, syempre, sa last year's MMFF film, Espantajo. At syempre, also won the Nora Honor Superstar Awards and the Female Faces of the Night, or parang Star of the Night ng 73rd Pabas Awards. Congratulations! And of course, the one and only Ice Sigera, formerly Isa Sigera, who joined Little Miss Philippines, gaya ni Gladys Reyes, si Ice Sigera, who formerly Isa, who joined Little Miss Philippines 1987, who finished 4th runner-up. And former main host si Ice sa Itbulaga from 1987 to 1997. Ang biggest movie niya ay Wake Up Little Susie, ay naging box office queen noong 1989. Galing! Ayan. And gabi-gabi lang projects at movies. Kaya lang naglaylo siya noong 1997 dahil po sa financial problem on the problems ng financial supports. Nawala, kasi sabi sa article na wala na yung pera. Tapos sale yung bahay. No! Nako. Pero noong 2001, ang biggest break, ang kantang Patating ng Panahon. Yan ang nanalong Awit Award Song of the Year noong 2002. Pinag-usapan na yan, ha. And of course, nakaroon din na nanalong or yung nominado for Best Supporting Actress para sa pelikula My Little Bossings sa PAMAS. Pero si Bella Padilla nanalo bilang Best Supporting Actress. Ayan. Congratulations, Ice, PAMAS Child Icons of Philippine Cinema. Congratulations sa lahat ng mga winners bilang tagumpay and honor. Saludo to all the child actors and child actresses. And we love you. We'll see you in another edition of Papa's Awards. Congrats! Gladys, Nino, Ice, Julian Santos, Iya Veneracion, and Matilde Leon. Sa lahat mo nanood, congratulations sa Papa's Awards. We hope to see you next time. Bye! God bless!